How to change the year on Google Earth. What's up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can enter to a time-lapse mode on Google Earth, which allows you to view different timelines at the same time. Let's begin. But before we do that, make sure to head down below to give our video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Now let's begin. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that your Google Earth is up to date, and once you do that, this will be your homepage where you have a 3D view of the Earth. Now on the top right of your screen you can see this little layer icon. You are just going to tap on it and it will take out the settings where you have additional layers, where you also have a time-lapse mode. Now you have to note that once you turn on the time-lapse mode, it will view a global time-lapse video of the planet from 1984 to today, but it will temporarily deactivate the 3D buildings option, so that's something you have to note. Now once you turn on the time-lapse mode, it will take you to this where you have an option to view all of the active changes that has happened throughout the years. So if I scroll down here a bit, it will show me the active changes that have been happening for the past years. Now if you want to change the slow playback speed and set it to slow, you can do that and then play it again. Now it will start playing from 1984 up to the current date. And if you want to pause and view the map of certain date, you can do that and then continue playing. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.